Coach, goalless against Vision FC, 1 point take on the road. What's your general thoughts on this game?
Not based of result, but the 1 point is appreciable. We appreciate the 1 point, but it's not the best result that we needed. We needed to grab all the 3 points, but we couldn't get that. The 1 point, we appreciate that.
Your last, squandered a few, got a few chances that they were supposed to bury, but then failed to capitalize on that. Are you disappointed?
Not disappointed, but that is our weak point. Our strikers, their conversion rate is very low. We keep on working on that to see how best we can improve upon that. But our strength side is to make sure that we keep the ball and then we create spaces and then we can create the chances. Definitely, maybe one day, one time, the conversion will come. But the conversion rate is very low. So if our conversion rate was to be high, in fact, our team would have been one of the topest team, grabbing shoulders with the top teams.
Among the two today, the teams have a better record away. What is the secret behind?
The secret is just that we observe our opponent game. When we are going to play like Vision, we have one or two of their matches. Their match against us, I watch it, I look at how they play, and their strength is in the method. How they start the game, how they initiate the attack. So what we realize is their strength is in the method. So I have to speak to my boys to make sure that they contain the method. And they normally start the attack from Ali. So, definitely you have to play 3 attackers. You are short of 1. So they make sure that when the striker go to 1, he release the ball to Ali and he initiate the attack. So I encourage the boys to make sure that they leave the other defender and put all their concentration on Ali, who is very good on the ball. I've worked with him, I've seen him a lot at Tamale City, where he was playing right back and moved here to play centre back. He's very comfortable on the ball. So he was the one that I just urged the boys to make sure that if he doesn't attack, then the midfield will be able to contain their midfielder, because they are also playing 3 midfielders. So if we are on them, we'll be able to contain them.
Okay, your next game is at home against Carrera, who seem to have a very good streak this season. What's the target? What's the plan?
Yeah, it's going to be a very difficult game because they have a lot of quality. They have quality players, experienced technical bench, and it's going to be a very tricky game. But believe me, we'll go and work, look at their loopholes, look at their strength, how do we stop their strength, and then we'll look at their loopholes, their weakness, and try to see how we can exploit into their weakness, and then we can get the 3 points out of that.
All right.
Thank you. You're welcome.